Sir, in this board, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Numbering is like this, and it starts from sensor connector side. If I am right, your first, second, third port is not working. So you are using card in one ribbon. You are using 12 card. So each connector is responsible for 96 hook, right? Because in 12 module and in each module 8 hook, so 12 8 ja 96 hook. For 96 hook this much is responsible, and after 96 hook till 192 this one is responsible, and from 192 to further 288 this one is responsible. This port is not working, so what we will do, from 193 to 288 this much area in the design we will keep it vacant, and we will not use connector here, and third connector we will use here, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, like this, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. For 960 if you are using till this much, so now we will make design 96 hook extra, and you will use till here. So third connector will be connected here, and fourth connector here, fifth here, like this we will use, and we will use one extra port. You can see in the design, this design is right now 960 hook. So what we will do, after 192 hook we will use 92 hook extra, and there will be no data in those 92 hook. So we will increase 92 hook in design. See how I am doing in this software. For doing this, here already 96 is selected, so in this way we can increase 96 hook. So we need to go on 192 here, 192 is here. Like this we will do. So you can see here 96 hook is extra, and total it will become 1064 in this way, you can see. So you can put this design in this way, and in the same way you will change the border file also. After 188 you will increase 96 hook extra, and by the way I will send you that file also. You will change this way, and in the control panel also you will change the number of ribbon. How you can do that, you can see in this one. You can go into the menu, you can go in this way, password, admin mode, you can go, you can put password, then number of cards and ribbon on 5th number, and on one number of ribbon is there, and already I think it is 10. You need to make that 11, star 11 hash, and hash if you put, then it will become 11, and you can go to exit, and you can check it again, it has happened to 11 or not. Star 1111 hash, then 5 1. Now it is 11. So now 11 ribbon will work, and your third ribbon will be vacant, and instead of third you will put that connector into the fourth one, and now this will 11 11 connectors will work. Okay, so now this will work as 1056 hook jacquard. Okay, I think you are able to understand my point.